Meet David. He is sick and tired of paying as much for rent as he would if he owned his home. His deepest desire is to buy a home for his family. The problem is, he has poor credit. He tries over and over to get a home loan and is denied every time. He feels depressed and hopeless. One sleepless night, he was browsing online and he Googled credit repair near me. Guiding Hands Credit Service popped up. David was very impressed by all the over 20 5-star reviews and by all of the success stories. He decides to visit the Guiding Hands website at www.guidingyourcredit.com. While at the website, he enters his contact information to be contacted. Guiding Hands quickly sets him up with an appointment. Guiding Hands only charges David $1 to pull his credit report, get his credit scores, and for a complete credit analysis. David's scores were in the low 500s. Guiding Hands explained to David that millions of hardworking people just like David were suffering with bad credit. He felt better knowing that he wasn't the only one. He was impressed once he learned that Guiding Hands Credit Service had been in business over 12 years, and they've helped well over 1,000 people purchase a home or buy a new car by repairing their credit. David felt more at ease knowing that Guiding Hands had a 90-day guarantee. David signed up with Guiding Hands Credit Services, and within just a few months, his credit scores had really improved. Within 5 months, his scores were high enough to qualify for a home loan. This time, he went to the bank like a boss because he knew that they can't turn him down this time. Now that David and his family are in their new home, looking back, Guiding Hands was one of the best choices David had ever made. If you were in a position like David was, don't hesitate. Act now. Enter your email and we will send you a free ebook that will show you how you can start improving your score right away.